Here we are looking at a prospective property purchase here. We're doing a phase one. You can actually hear the sump pump is continually running. The basement is flooding everywhere as you walk around. You're getting water bubbling up through the floor. We have signs of an underground oil tank from out front. They have questions with how moisture intrusion may degrade indoor air quality. It's a shame you can't smell this. This is an old mushroom farm, and let me tell you, it doesn't smell like any mushroom I've ever smelled. So reach out to us at greenworksllc.com, and we can definitely help identify what your moisture problems are, how it may be degrading air quality, and what we can do to get you on a path to recovery.